Hello everyone, welcome to our video series reviewing some algebra topics for Math 171. We are going to start things off by discussing the order of operations, which gives us a guide on what order to take mathematical operations such as addition, multiplication, and so on. The commonly used device to remember the order is the phrase PEMDAS. Let's break this up. The P stands for parentheses. The E stands for exponents. The M stands for multiplication. The D stands for division. The A is for addition. And the S is for subtraction. We want to go in the order from left to right, so parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication and division actually have the same rank as each other, which means their order is interchangeable at this point. Then lastly, addition and subtraction also have the same rank as each other, so their order is interchangeable at this point as well. Let's see this in action. Consider the expression 1 plus 2 times 5. The addition is the first operation we see when reading left to right, but PEMDAS tells us to do any multiplication before addition. So doing 2 times 5, we get 10. Now we have 1 plus 10, and that's going to be 11. Let's see how parentheses can change this calculation. If we now have 1 plus 2 times 5, where the addition is inside of the parentheses, PEMDAS tells us to do any operations inside the parentheses first. So doing this addition, 1 plus 2 will be 3, and that will be left to multiply by 5, which gives us 15. So you can see how parentheses can give a high priority to operations and change the calculation. For one more example, consider this expression. It looks fairly complicated, but let's break it down. If you see a division bar like this one, you want to consider the top and the bottom to be inside their own sets of parentheses. Writing this out without the division bar, we'll get something that looks like this. Now to correctly execute PEMDAS, we want to start in the innermost set of parentheses here, and work outwards. Following the order of PEMDAS in this set of parentheses, we have an exponent and addition, so we'll do the exponent first. So 3 squared will give 9, and we still have the 1 being added, and then everything else. Doing the addition next will just give us 10, still multiplied by 2 minus 10 divided by 5. We have now fully evaluated the innermost set of parentheses, but we still have this set of parentheses which came from the top of the division bar, so we'll go in the order of PEMDAS in this as well. We have multiplication and subtraction. PEMDAS tells us to do any multiplication first, so we do the 10 times the 2 and get 20, then have the minus 10 surrounded by parentheses, divided by 5. Now the only operation we have left inside of the parentheses is the subtraction, so doing the 20 minus the 10 gives us 10, and now divided by 5, 10 divided by 5 will give us 2, and that's our answer. While it may take practice to get used to, just keep in mind that you want to start with the innermost set of parentheses, and you will have to execute PEMDAS each time as you work outwards. Until next time.